Welcome back to another episode of your Digi Hustle News. As always, I'm Wade Teamer. This episode is going to be centered around Digibyte. Guys, we have another development that has just hit the radar. Now, I don't necessarily believe this is one of the announcements that is coming from the top, Mr. Bauman, but however, this development is still major for Digibyte nonetheless. It comes in the form of Blockbank, as they are pleased to announce its latest partnership with Digibyte that is going to open Digibyte to an entire new uh, ecosystem. Now, I also want to go over some chart action with the Digibyte as well because there is a setup forming, guys, especially on the weekly, that I think you want to see. So we're going to talk about that, but let's get into the news. It states that Blockbank is pleased to announce its latest partnership with Digibyte, the open source blockchain for digital assets, smart contracts, and decentralized applications and security authentication. The exciting collaboration will enable users to hold Digibyte highly scalable DGB token and benefit from high yield staking options via the Blockbank wallet. Some additional benefits stemming from Blockbank strategy integration of Digibyte include sending assets via Digibyte's blockchain, storing Digibyte tokens in Blockbank's app wallet, and determining Digibyte token trading decisions. So essentially, Blockbank is going to also act as a exterior channel for Digi assets and DeFi, dApps, and all of the features that comes with Digibyte. Users of Blockbank's app will now be exposed to the Digibyte ecosystem. This is massive. So it says that this integration will go live with the upcoming launch of Blockbank's V2 application in the fall. So looking at Q4 development here. Leading up to the launch, the Digibyte community is encouraged to adopt Blockbank's mobile application for all your wallet needs. Now, this just basically goes into describe some of the features of Digibyte. If you're new to the space or the channel, or Digibyte for that matter, let me just run these by you really quickly. Digibyte is decentralized. Its unique technology and passionate community help the innovative blockchain stand apart from competitors. Digibyte is also secure, using 5 cryptographic algorithms, including AutoCrypt and real time difficulty adjustment to prevent malicious mining. And it's also very fast. Digibyte creates blocks every 15 seconds, 40 times faster than Bitcoin and 10 times faster than Litecoin. Early SegWit implementation and blockchain rigidity enables up to 1,066 on chain transactions per second with negligible fees. Also, meaning basically free. Okay. Little background about Blockbank. It is developing an AI powered artificial intelligence traditional mobile banking experience with seamless crypto integration. Block's vision is to create an all in one crypto application that simplifies the user experience without compromising security, privacy, or decentralization. So, much like what Digibyte did with Clever a couple weeks ago, they have now been added to Blockbank, another emerging crypto service. This is going to be good. All of these smaller partnership guys, they're going to help accentuate the imminent rally. When I say imminent, I mean imminent. I have a feeling next couple weeks of September is going to be very strong for Digibyte. But all of these other smaller partnerships, what they do is serve to accentuate the major rally that's coming once the man at the top starts to bring down the announcements of the metaverse and the NFTs and all of the enterprise relationships that Digibyte has been working on behind the scenes. So, excuse me, guys. Now, speaking of behind the scenes, let's go behind the scenes of Digibyte's price movements by taking a look at the charts. Okay. On the daily, we are looking kind of quiet right now. Last night, Digibyte was having some very peculiar price activity, sliding between 4 cents and even 6 cents on some exchanges. Right now, we're sitting at about 5. up 0.7% for the day. But what I want to show you is on the weekly time frame. All right, let's expand this a bit so we can see. Now, what have we been learning about how these Bollinger Bands, how they behave when certain things are about to happen? Okay, we are seeing the forming of a contraction. Okay, again, I always try to point these contraction points out because they indicate that positive price action is coming. We are beginning the squeeze here. Okay, that would mean that according to the weekly, once this finishes out, once this plays out, because we're riding this medium line here, so that means we're retesting a resistance level in a minute. Once we retest it maybe 3-4 times, so we have to break this 6 cent range. The 6 cent range is our barrier right now. A strong fundamental development and announcement that will push Digibyte above that 6 cent range. Now, once we get above it, that's when the rest of this contraction plays out and we start moving further to the upside. So when I see these type of clamps forming, if you will, I always want to highlight that because that indicates to me that there are some very, very positive things about to happen. But on the daily, you can even see it forming here. It's a little contraction. Everybody was affected on September 7th. That was to be expected. However, there's a lot of discussion stating that if that hadn't happened, a lot of projects would have had continued momentum and we would have been talking about more than just Tezos, Algorand, Solana, and Elron over the last couple of weeks. But all of the things, all of the pieces are being laid for some of these other alts to shine in the last couple of weeks of September. So I firmly believe Digibyte will be one of them, judging by not only the technical developments, but more customers, more users coming onto the network in the form of Blockbank. So, guys, real nice Digibyte update for you. If you found value in this video, of course, hit that like button. If you're holding Digibyte, smash the like button. If you're new and want to get involved with Digibyte, interested to learn more about it, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that way you never miss an update on global crypto adoption with a global perspective. And of course, you can reach me directly in the comments. Links to my email, exchanges that I use, all that good stuff is in the description. And as always, let me extend to you great day, prosperous day, and most importantly, make that money. I'll see y'all in the next.